Hey, great, you found us. Thanks for tuning in. This is Not Good at Normal. I did some pre-work to this stump. Last night I went ahead and did some, you can't really see the color on this side, but I did some blues and a little bit of white mixed in. I'll probably do a little more marbling and then fill that in with maybe some clear resin. But a couple days ago, I went ahead and put some resin on there just so that it would impede the bubbles because the tree would still have air coming out. So that's a must. Also, these little glass beads I may use somehow. I don't know. I love glass. I love turquoise. The beads are beautiful, and so I have to add some kind of turquoise or stone or something in most of the items that I make for myself, to keep for myself. The Tree of Life is very beautiful. Purple may not work with the theme that I'm going with, but yeah, we'll see. Anyway, that's a little bit of the behind the scenes. All the stuff that I've been working on, trying to get that going, and then my cat is obviously trying to figure out what's going on as well. Bench I made, probably just gonna be stained. Anyway, there's Miss Mia. Okay, we will continue with the resin part. Oh, she's having a good time. Look at her over there. Okay, so I have the window open, so you're hearing the outside wonderful sounds of the city. I am going to color my resin now for the stump, and I'm going to do blues, some marble swirl colors. So we will move into the other room where the stump is for that portion of it, but I just wanted to go ahead and pour some now and show you the color mixing process. And then we'll get into the marble color process later once we're about to pour it, because you don't want to do that ahead of time because then it won't be marble-like. So let's go ahead with turquoise. Beautiful. I'm still looking to find some metallic turquoise because that would just be the most beautiful thing ever. But short of finding metallic turquoise, that's what I have. I could throw some glitter into it, but I don't have glitter right now. Well, I have red glitter, and that's so not going to work. So anyway, let's see what this is going to look like. There's a stick. So this is just the main color right now. 1.5 drops should be a lighter, nice lighter turquoisey color. Mix it all up really nicely. Try not to cover it with my hand. Get it pretty well mixed because then when I come in with the white, it should look nice. Lots of bubbles. But you know what? Maybe I'll go ahead and put 1 drop of white in just to lighten it up a little, and then later I will do the swirl. And this is my favorite white. It's a pearl metallic white, pearl white color. So it should lighten it up a little. Beautiful. Okay, so I have these little bats that I've been wanting to do something with, so I'm going to go ahead and try right now with just mixed up a little bit of gray. I should probably put in some black, but we're just going to see. A little cat hair, because cat is everywhere. See what we can do with these little, yep, there she is. I probably need one of those little pipette thingies. But I only have a few of those, and really, those are just kind of annoying. So we are just going to delicately just, hopefully you can see this, pour it in there. Here's all the beautiful bugs again. And then I will make sure it's in the corners with this, and if I get some overflow, that's perfectly fine, because obviously it will just peel right out and then just clean up afterward. Okay, so I put in about 3 or 4 drops of turquoise and a 1/2 drop of this darker, it's called cobalt blue, just so that I could kind of control how much I would like in there, if any. So yeah, oh, that's a much darker turquoise. A little bit of that blue in there. And then no white in this one at all, except when I marble it, I will put some white so that it has this really awesome little effect. So just to see the difference there. Very nice. Much darker. But you know, it'll all mix together and it'll be a really awesome little blue piece for myself. Drizzled all around, it's kind of cool. I mean, you do anything that you want. It's your piece of art, your creativity. No two people are alike, no two pieces of art are alike, no two resin pieces are alike, even if you have the same mold. Yeah, I like that. Whee! And you probably see Kitty sitting there. Nope, she is just outside. Let's see, pan over. There she is. Hey, baby. She's not in focus. She is not the focus of this, and she is not liking it because she likes to be the focus and the center of attention. Too bad, so sad, baby cat. Baby cat's not feeling all that well today anyway, so she's just kind of trying to hang around her mama. Okay, I'm going to add just a little more resin to this. Mix it up, and then add some white so we can marble it. And then we will embellish with all my, I have a few crystals, a couple that my daughter gave me, and then one or two that I found or have somehow, but then of course my little turquoise ones, because obviously I'm the turquoise queen, which I'm not wearing any today, but it's Sunday afternoon. Okay, sorry, there. I'm always wearing some kind of turquoise. There you are. Okay, time for the white. And again, probably another drop and a half, or oh, a big plop. That works. Nice big plop of white. And it disappeared. Come on, back to the surface. There you go. Okay, so this is much darker, so I may need more white. Alright, I will add just another touch of white, because I really want it like a big marble effect, so let's see how much white is going to get in there. Boom. Alright. That's going to be a nice big blob of white. Marble. There you go. Come on. Oh, the white's going to sink into the bottom for some reason, because it's probably too thick with all the paint now. But anyway, let's go for it, shall we? This side so you can see. And I tried to level this as much as possible because the bottom is kind of cut wonky as well. So, my clear, I went ahead and put one little bitty drop of white in just to kind of marble the white. The clear, make that like a big clear marble. Oh, that's nice. You see that down in there? That's nice. Okay, just really quickly, barely stirred it together so that it doesn't lose its effect when I then... Nice. Pour it over there. Hi, Mia. Oh, yes. Very nice. Look at that. Very nice. Pour it down off to the side there, a little off to the side there, because it's going to catch on the thing that I've got over there. A little more on top here, where I'm going to put all my stuff. I mean, it might make a nice seat. Like a, you know, it's obviously a stump, but like a small seat for putting on my shoes or something. But I think it's probably just going to sit by the front door for my keys or my bag or something. A drink before I leave, I don't know. We shall see. Just depends on what it looks like when it's finished and what I feel about it. Okay, good. So we have some left so we can make, I don't know, we'll pull something out and make something. Hi friends. I'm sure there's a ring light on this. So, I wanted to quickly let you know about the stump that we were working on. It's not quite exactly finished, but it's finished for now because I don't feel like dealing with it anymore right now. And I think I may end up getting maybe some crystals or something, maybe hopefully shopping with my daughter so she can pick out some or help me pick out some. I know they're supposed to like jump out at you and, you know, oh, pick me. I don't know. So anyway, that's the route I think I'm going to go with it. But as promised, I'm going to show you. And also some of the little the bats and things that I made. So let's go over there and look at it. Okay, so here is the stump that we were working on. I just wanted to show you quickly some of the little, I had a lot of gray left, so I went ahead and made this owl, which is really cute. And this thing, it would be, I guess, really cute with different colors. I mean, this was the last of it, so I went ahead and just tried this mold for the first time. Very sharp, and I'm awesomely glad that the end worked. You can see it there, but you have to push down the resin so that it doesn't leave like a big bubble gap, which I just see a bubble right there. Anyway, it makes a nice pendant, I guess, but multicolors or something would be really awesome. The bats, really cool. Need a lot of cleanup though. And then I had just a little bit left, so I went ahead and made a couple of skeletal heads. And the spider, again, that needs some cleanup, but these are from the tombstones that we made about a week or two ago. So these are awesome, and I think these will look really awesome in the coffins or even on the top of the coffin. So yeah, really happy with these, that I had some extra resin left. So here it is. I like that you can see the natural wood coming through it, but that's kind of why I left that part natural-ish. And then I wanted this darker. I don't really feel like dealing with it at the moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, take some of the glue off the edges and clean it up. Obviously it's, it fell off of the truck, and so it's kind of lopsided, but then again, I'm pretty handy with some wood and nails and stuff, so I'm gonna fix that. I mean, I'm pleased with it. I'm not like overly happy, ooh, excited, it's awesome. It's just, you win some, and some you kind of have to figure out what your next step is. Like life, it's not a failure. I like it, and I can do so much more with it. And if you have any suggestions or anything, let me know. I may end up putting a picture on the end here with it after I've cleaned it all up and taken all the glue off. And yeah, because now it's like sideways. And I'm surprised the cat isn't there sitting on my new bench. See, I am kind of handy. I made a bench for my outdoor balcony. And then today I bought this really awesome, I'll go ahead and show you, because obviously I love Halloween so much that this is actually just for the outside, not just for Halloween. They didn't have my French toile that I love so much, so I went ahead and bought this, which, reminiscent, I guess, but Halloween-y, I suppose. But then again, I love all things skeletal and spooky and dark. So yeah, kind of loving it. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Not Good at Normal, notgoodatnormal.com, the blog, notgoodatnormal.blog for my Instagram, and I also have a YouTube, well, obviously this YouTube. I also have Facebook, Not Good at Normal. So look me up, subscribe, leave a comment. Tell me what you think I should do and what your favorite thing about the stump is, what I could do different or better, and let me know how you like that fabric.